We all have heard many stories that has inspired us in many ways. Now I'm going to be telling you one story that has changed my life and has altered the way I look at things. My name is Devesh and I'm a public speaking coach, and I'm on a mission to transform 100,000 people to make them masterful in their public speaking abilities. Now this story is about a lawyer. This lawyer was very young, very wealthy, very eminent, and he became very popular at such a young age. And when the media got to know about him, they thought of interviewing him. So they took an appointment with him for the next morning. And the next morning, around 4 to 5 reporters arrived at his place, but they all reached at the lawyer's place a little early. It was around 7 o'clock in the morning. They were all told by the lawyer's manager that the lawyer is getting ready, and why don't you all sit for around 15 minutes, and meanwhile he's there, then you can start the interview process. Now when they were all taken to the meeting hall, they noticed that there is already a man who's sitting in the meeting hall, and this man is claiming that he is lawyer's brother. Now this man has a whiskey bottle in his hand, another hand he has a cigarette, and he was yelling and shouting and abusing people. Now they were really taken aback, and since they were the reporters, so they thought that this is more interesting case, let's interview him first. So they all walked up to this person and says, your brother is such a great inspiration, how come you are like this? And this brother says that it's all because of my father. And he continues saying that when he was a kid, his father used to come back home late in the night. He used to come back home, he used to beat his mom, he used to abuse his mom. He could not do anything in his life. He was a total disaster and a failure in his career. And since I was his child, and I also became like him. After they heard the brother, they were eagerly waiting for the lawyer to come down. And when the lawyer comes down, they all flock him around and says, you are such a great inspiration, sir. What is your source of inspiration? And the lawyer says, my father. He continues saying, he says, when I was a kid, my father used to come back home late in the night. He used to come back home, he used to abuse my mom, he used to beat my mom, and he used to never get along with anybody in the locality. And he was such a failure and disaster in his career. And that was the day I decided for myself that I would not be like my father. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when I'm sharing this story with you all, the story is all about choice. And the story is applicable to all the walks of life. Now, as a public speaker, we always have two choices, ladies and gentlemen. Choice number one, when we are speaking in front of the people, what are we doing? Are we only doing a job, be just done with the speech, come back? Or choice number two, are we really speaking to alter their mindset? Are we really speaking in front of them to make a difference in their life? So whatever the choice we make, so will be the outcome. So next time when you speak in front of the people, ensure that you make the right choice. So if you have liked this video, please share this with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you have an access to my next video. And I'm eagerly waiting for your comments and your inputs in the comment section. This is Devesh Dewangan signing off for now.